Derek, head on into the kitchen. We have our good friend, Executive Chef Russ Palmer with Bush's Fresh Food Market here, serving up some nice Halloween-inspired treats. Always great to have you in. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for having me.
I got a sneak peek at some of the creative things we'll be doing, Ryan. We have aprons back here just in case you want to get your hands a little dirty.
Sure, yeah.
What are we doing this morning?
We have an assortment of things. Our main recipe today is our crescent roll mummy hot dog.
Oh, that's big league stuff here now.
Fancy. We have an array, though. We have our black olive spiders on deviled eggs.
Oh, my gosh.
And then we have our our water chestnut eyeballs.
Oh, come on,
bacon.
Chef.
I know.
I might have one of them eyeballs.
It is super fun. Super fun for the kids, getting them out, you know, a little bit, maybe that day of the Halloween and doing a little fun and having some snacks and treats before they go out trick-or-treating, or maybe afterwards if you got the energy still. Right?
Keep them busy.
Yeah, and so this is just crescent roll dough here. You can purchase this at your local Bush's, of course. And then, you know, normally people unroll this, and then they've got, you can see there's the little triangles in here as you unroll it, right? But you keep it all together, as you can see. I have here, and then I've cut strips, okay? Widthwise, very simple. Not too wide. You know, just like this.
Okay.
I got my hot dog here.
Almost like a linguine noodle.
Yeah, very close. Yeah, very close.
How's the eyeball, Derek?
It was good.
Delicious?
Yes, it was very good.
Weirdo.
So, as you can see here, this is very spooky. We're rolling up one side. And you want to leave a little bit of a gap, right, somewhere as you go, but you're going to take another one and maybe go the other way and have some fun with it.
Now, while you do that, Derek, are you thinking of ways to ruin Halloween even more for your kids?
Yes, we're not having any fun. We're not eating any candy. No, Chef, what I like about these foods for kids is sometimes you just present the same food that they've had 100 different times in a slightly different way, and you say it's a mummy hot dog, and all of a sudden they want it.
It's something totally new. That's exactly it. They love it, and this is something they can really get their hands in and make themselves as well. Once you show them, like even these black olive spiders, they're very simple. You're just taking the olive, you're cutting like this, and that's
this is the adult job, right?
There.
Yeah. We're not giving the kid the old 8-foot chef's knife.
Derek, give me that knife.
You know, and then just for the legs, you're just you're cutting like the strips like that. Very simple. And then you're putting the spider right up on the deviled egg. It's very simple, and you can see them right here. That's very easy to do. There's nothing really to the bacon-wrapped water chestnuts.
Oh, don't scare me.
You can see, you know, like this is these are not cooked here, but they're all wrapped up like this.
How long are you cooking that hot dog for? What is your method of cooking?
Yeah, 350 degrees on a baking sheet, just about like 10 minutes, maybe 8 to 10 minutes, and you can see there's some nice coloration right here.
Yeah.
The hot dogs, you can see this caramelization there, and then we make their eyeballs, and basically all I do here is I take a little bit of the fun, you know, mustard. I dip it right here.
Are these good to go, Chef?
Yeah, those are perfectly.
Oh my gosh, it's looking at you, Marielle. Show it to the camera before you eat it.
Yeah.
Nom, nom, nom.
And then I can take some little tweezers here, and I can make my eyes, as you can see.
This is an intricate deal and something that kill a little bit of time with those kids.
A lot of time. That's all we're looking to do is just how can we kill 60 minutes. Chef, what about desserts? You got any fun ideas for desserts for kids?
Well, as you can see, we have an array of baked goods from Bush's. All of these are available at our stores. We have all of our Michigan products for fall still in-house. You can find all the Michigan apples. You can find an alternative to pizza as a chicken pot pie at Bush's for that evening if you're on the run and you gotta go and you're not cooking that night. The chicken pot pie is a great way to go.
And I saw you even brought some things for the adults as they go trick-or-treating with their kids. This is what we have Yeti cups for, ladies and gentlemen. Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, Uncle, whoever's going out.
Juice? Dad, can I have a sip? No,
not this one.
No, don't drink out of Mommy's cup.
That's how we trick-or-treat in my neighborhood. neighborhood.
He's got that right.
Our beverage selections are incredible at Bush's. They really are. You've got to come over, check it out. We have craft Michigan beers, you know, everything you could ever want for those items, for sure. We have a food drive going on in the next couple of weeks, a Season of Sharing SOS food drive, and we're also taking holiday orders next week.
Love it. You can get all that information, bushes.com website on your screen right there.
Liz, take it.